Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Welcome friends. Today in this video we are going to implement sign up using Firebase. Sign up is an important part of most of the online app. It is one of the basic things for the apps categories like social media or an e-commerce app to register the user in your database and also to get the basic information about the user like his name, email or phone number. In this project we will create a simple sign up app using Firebase which takes email and password and register the user. So let's begin with our project. We will create this project in 4 simple steps. First, we will create a Firebase project. Second, we will create our Android project. Third, we will connect our app with Firebase. Fourth, we will write the sign up code. So open your browser and type Firebase. Open the first link. Now if you don't have the Firebase account, then create a Firebase account and then continue with the steps. As I have already created the Firebase account, and I am also logged in, so I will click on go to console. Now this is the Firebase console. From here we can create the new project. So click on add project and enter the name of your project. I will give the name sign up. Now click on continue. In this page it is asking for the Google Analytics for your project. If you want, then by default it is enabled. If you don't want it, then you can disable it and click on continue. Here select an account, click on default account for Firebase and click on create project. Now you can see the Firebase is creating our project, so wait until the project is created. So now our Firebase project is ready. Click on continue. Here you can see our Firebase project is ready. Now we will create sign up page using the Firebase. So sign up comes under the authentication, so we will click on authentication. Now we will click on the sign in method and we will enable email and password. So click on this edit button and enable it and click on save. Now we have enabled email and password authentication for our Firebase project. Now we can move towards the second step for creating Android project. So minimize the browser and open the Android Studio. Click on start new Android project and select an empty activity and click on next. Give the name to your app. I will give the name sign up and click on finish button. Our Android project is being created. Now our Android project has been created and we will move towards the third step, which is connecting our Android project with Firebase project. So for connecting our Android project with the Firebase project, click on the tool and click on the Firebase. Now here click on authentication and click on email and password authentication and then click on connect to Firebase. Now here the Android Studio is asking whether we want to create a new Firebase project or we want to continue with the existing Firebase project. As we have already created our Firebase project, so we will continue with the existing Firebase project. So click on choose an existing Firebase project and here you can see the sign up Firebase project which we have created. So click on it and click on connect to Firebase. Now here you can see that our app is connected to the Firebase. Now click on add Firebase authentication to your app. This will add Firebase authentication library to your project. Now here you can see that the library is being added. Now the library has been added and our app has been connected to the Firebase. So we are done with the third step. We will move towards our fourth step, which is writing the sign up code. Now move towards the activity main XML file. Here we will design the sign up XML file. As designing of the XML file takes a lot of time, so I will skip this part and continue after that. Now you can see that I have designed the sign in XML, and I have used to edit text and a button. Let me zoom and show you. I have used to edit text, one for the email and one for the password, and a button. I have given edit email to this email edit text, and edit pass to this password edit text, and ID for button I have given is btn sign in. So now move toward the main activity Java file and initialize this edit text and button. Now let's initialize this views. Now I will attach a on-click listener to the sign in button so that we can perform the sign in action when the sign in button is clicked. So sign in dot set on-click listener, new on-click listener. We will begin our sign in action when the sign in button is clicked. So we will write our sign in code in this on-click function. Now when the sign in button will be clicked, we will read the edit text of email and password, and we will store it in the string variable so that we can move ahead with our sign in action. For writing the sign in code, you can also take the help of the Google. You can search in Google for Firebase email authentication. Email authentication, and click on this. Click on this link. Here you can see in the documentation it is given everything what you have to do for writing the sign up code. Now we will write our sign up code. First we will create an instance of Firebase auth private Firebase auth and a auth. Now we will initialize this Firebase auth and then auth dot create user with email and password, and this function takes email and the password as the argument. So provide email and password, which we have retrieved from the edit email and edit password, and we will attach on complete listener so that we can get informed when the user has successfully signed in. So add on complete listener, new on complete listener. This on complete listener has a function on complete which has an argument task which through which we can get to know whether the user has been successfully signed in or not. Now what we will do, we will redirect the user to a new activity on successful sign up. So let's create an activity. Right click and click on new, select activity, empty activity. Give it a name. I will leave the name as main to activity and click on finish. Now our activity has been created. Now move to this XML file and rename the text view as welcome. Now move toward the main activity Java file, and we will check if the user has been successfully signed in. Then we will redirect the user to the new activity, and if it fails to sign in, then we will produce a toast message. So if task dot is successful, now we will create intent. Now if the sign up is unsuccessful, then else to start make text this not get exception to start length long dot show. Now this pass.this get exception gives the error message from the server. If the email or the password is wrong, then it will give the error message through this pass.get exception. Now we will run our app. Our app have been successfully installed. So let's give email and password and check whether it is working or not. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now click on sign in. Now you can see that we have been successfully signed in. Now let's go to the Firebase console and see whether the user has been successfully registered or not. Refresh the page. Here you can see that the user has been successfully registered. His email is given here. So thank you for watching this video.